Hello guys and welcome to yet another game devlog video. I haven't made a video for over a month, so I guess it's about time. Once again I made a short list of stuff I wanted to achieve and of course barely completed half. What I managed to do was steal main menu code from my other project that I used to work on. You can see what it looked like in the corner. Here you'll be able to select different maps and game modes in the future. Since I listened to your requests, I can do what I know best. Fulfill your request by stealing code and saying it is mine. I used a simple blend tree to blend between animations and fix the rotation with the code I did not steal. Now, Galdar can strafe, move his feet properly while looking at where you aim at. To be honest with you, I wouldn't be able to do this all by myself, but thankfully this very talented YouTuber explains it very simply. Now that that works, I added back the weapons. What surprised me is that it works. Or maybe it doesn't. It's funny how things just break out of nowhere. So, I decided to scrap all my weapon code and start from scratch. Using bullets that were actual game objects with colliders was terrible, so I went for raycasts. And yet another bug appeared and caused that I cannot modify the rate of fire. Who would have guessed? Such a simple fix. Took me almost 2 days to find out what's wrong. Yep. With this out of my way, the pistol is now working as it should. Finally, I can change the bullet speed and the rate of fire. Thank you, wise man, for showing me the way. Before going any further, Unity offers a free dark theme, so of course I had to upgrade my project, because how can someone not use the dark theme? What surprised me is that I got just a few errors and the game was actually still playable. Okay, so with that done, I decided to tackle the biggest problem yet. The weird bug that caused game objects and particles to spawn underground. But instead of fixing the problem, there was a new one. Now, after a few seconds, I could not damage the enemy. I tried playing with the physics settings, but nothing helped at all. Then I found yet another problem. The first bullet shot damages twice. Thankfully, the fix didn't take long and now I can finally move on to the next problem. Actually, before that I tried to figure out why would enemies become unhittable after a few seconds. And then, out of nowhere, I decided to change the size of the agents on the nav mesh and baked it again. And somehow it fixed all of my problems at once. The weird nav mesh was the problem since the very beginning. And with that fixed, the game now runs perfectly. Finally! It was so frustrating, now I can finally make some actual progress and work on the game. Next up, I wanted to do something fun and more creative, so I went for floating combat text. I always loved seeing those nice critical hits pop up. I made a simple prefab game object with text component and then animated a bit and changed the text to whatever the damage was. For now, I just damaged for 1 so I could see what it looked like. Then I made the text a bit prettier and finally added a chance to critically hit, which doubles the damage. I know that I have not made a lot of progress during the last month, but at least I got rid of all the annoying bugs and errors. Also, I bought a puppy and started my computer science degree at university, so my lack of time shall continue. Anyway, I will be using my free time and energy working on this game, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it. If you have any suggestions what I should do next, let me know and I will do my best to implement it. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and see you in the next one.